Welcome to Immigration News. Join our WhatsApp group for the latest immigration news and updates. Link is given in the description. Today we're discussing a topic crucial for anyone considering applying for a green card, the USCIS 90-day rule. This rule can potentially impact your application, so understanding it's vital. So let's get started. What is the USCIS 90-day rule? The USCIS 90-day rule is a policy guideline used by U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services (USCIS) officers when evaluating applications to adjust status from non-immigrant to permanent resident, green card. It creates a presumption that a non-immigrant visa holder who marries a U.S. citizen or applies for a green card within 90 days of entering the U.S. might have misrepresented their original intentions when applying for the visa. Who does the 90-day rule apply to? This rule primarily applies to non-immigrant visa holders with visas that don't allow for dual intent, meaning they don't permit visitors to have both temporary stay and immigrant goals. This includes visas for tourism, B1 and B2, business, B1, and cultural exchange, J1. If you hold a visa like an F1 student visa or certain employment visas that allow for dual intent, the 90-day rule likely wouldn't apply to you. How can the 90-day rule cause problems? If you marry a U.S. citizen or apply for a green card within 90 days of entering the U.S. on a non-dual intent visa, a USCIS officer might suspect you entered the country with the sole purpose of obtaining a green card, even if that wasn't your original intention. This can lead to increased scrutiny of your application, requests for additional evidence, and potentially denial of your green card. Overcoming the 90-day rule challenge. The 90-day rule isn't an absolute bar. You can still overcome this presumption by demonstrating genuine intentions when you entered the U.S. This could involve providing strong evidence you had no plans to immigrate initially, such as proof of return tickets, documentation of established ties to your home country, employment, property ownership, or evidence your relationship with a U.S. citizen spouse developed unexpectedly after your arrival. Avoiding the 90-day rule trap. Here's how to avoid potential issues with the 90-day rule. Be honest about your intentions when applying for your visa. If you had any inkling you might want to pursue a green card in the future, consider applying for a visa that allows dual intent from the beginning. If your situation changes after arrival, consult with an immigration attorney before taking any actions that could raise red flags. Consulting an immigration attorney. Immigration law is complex, and the 90-day rule can be nuanced. If you have questions about your specific situation or plan to marry a U.S. citizen and applied for a green card soon after entering the U.S., consulting with a qualified immigration attorney is highly recommended. They can guide you through the process, assess your situation, and help you navigate the complexities of the 90-day rule. By understanding the USCIS 90-day rule and taking appropriate steps, you can increase your chances of a smooth green card application process. Remember, honesty is key, and consulting with an immigration attorney can provide valuable support. Thank you for joining us on Immigration News.